Beautiful flower shop in a mall in Berlin. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. I am here at the mall in Berlin and I saw some beautiful flowers in this flower shop, and I decided to share with you guys so that you can see what's going on in other areas. Here at the mall, this is the flower shop and they have some beautiful flowers and everything looks great, even with the containers. Nice presentation over here. So I just decided to say I should share this with you guys so that you guys can see what they have here in Germany. It looks great. As you can see, they have a huge variety of flowers, from small ones to big ones in bigger containers. And you just select what you want and you pay for it, and you can use it for indoor decorations and other stuff. And the store is called Bloom 2000. So I don't know if that's the right pronunciation in German, but that's what I'm calling it. So you can see this looks like hibiscus over here. They have different variety of flowers, and you can see the prices in euros. So that one was about 18 euros. 9.99 euros for that other one. So you can see the selection that they have here and the colors. Most of them are tropical flowers, indoor plants that you could use for decoration or as a gift, or as a bouquet of flower for like anniversaries, birthdays, and other stuff. So definitely great selection of flowers here. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and if you've seen this in other parts of the world or in other countries. Just let me know, and maybe we might learn from each other. These ones are artificial flowers. They look like real life tomatoes, but they're artificial plants that you can have in your as a decorative set in your home. So, but most of the other ones are real plants and real flowers that you could use for decorations. So let me know in the comments below if you've seen something like this and what you think about the video. And hopefully this at least gives you another idea of how flowers and plants and stuff are being sold and presented in other areas of the world. So stay tuned for more other videos from my trip to Germany. Okay, that is it for today. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out. And don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video. Please share the video. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.